Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. I'm sorry if my audio is a bit off or I sound a bit off. I'm kind of sick, and also our kids lost our mic, but that's neither here nor there because one is on the way. But I wanted to give you guys an update on dengue fever because they're saying that the medicine they're using to fight off dengue is not working. And I feel like people need to be aware about what's going on in Jamaica, because before there was an outbreak, people were asking the health minister if there was actually really an outbreak, and he refused to be transparent with the public. And now 16 persons have died, and majority of them being kids. I can only imagine losing my child to something like dengue fever in 2019. Anyways, let's get into the article. And it says the University of the West Indies UWI professor Dr. Rupita Delangad has conceded that the Aedes aegypti mosquitoes, which spreads dengue fever and other diseases, have been providing a challenge to some of Jamaica's brightest minds who have been working to contain it. But Delangad is confident that the consortium, which has been working assiduously to divest strategies to curb the disease caused by these mosquitoes, will record success. More than 12 experts have already joined the UWI mosquito research team, which was formed 2 years ago during the outbreak of Zika, which is also spread by mosquitoes. The idea was to bring the researchers from the UWI into a forum where the Ministry of Health can interact with them, Dr. Delangad said. She noted the research is important for the shaping of policies to address mosquito-borne diseases. Among those in the Mosquito Research Consortium is Charles Grant, an international atomic energy expert who is Director General of the International Center for Environmental and Nuclear Sciences at UWI. Biochemist Lisa Lindo, head of Mona School of Engineering Dr. Paul Akin, and several senior lecturers and researchers following spanning different departments. Senior lecturer at the Caribbean Institute of Health Research, Dr. Georgina Gordon Strahan, said she is particularly focused on addressing how climate change contributes to the spread of vector-borne diseases such as dengue fever. As we all know, in Jamaica, when it rains, our mosquito population tends to increase. So even without doing any type of scientific studies, our experience tells us that once we have intense rain, then we have an intense number of mosquitoes that are around, said Dr. Gordon Strahan. The institute has been using a mathematical method to predict when there might be an outbreak of vector-borne diseases so that the preventative measures can be heightened during the periods that Dr. Gordon Strahan said. They have been mapping data going back to 1987 at least. It is quite smart, it is surviving, and it is a role to try to survive, Dr. Strahan said. The Aedes aegypti mosquito. She added the creation of consortium of researchers is a good move. We're trying to pull researchers from many different groups to tackle the one problem, because as you can see, it has different components. There is scientific components with the lab and mosquitoes itself. There is a social component which has to do with the behavior, and there are other components as well, Dr. Gordon Strahan said. Studies undertaken by members of the consortium have already unearthed some useful findings. It's constantly they're saying that the mosquito is constantly exposed to chemical and realizes that it is killing it, and over time has developed a mechanism of getting rid of it as soon as it comes. So basically, these mosquitoes have developed an way or antibodies of getting rid of whatever they're trying to use to kill them. So they have formulated something within themselves that is preventing them from getting killed with the medication they're using. And that's why there has been 16 people dead from this. People need to be very careful. We were very careful when we were in Jamaica because we didn't want Kai to get dengue, and he was the only one that didn't get bit up, and we got bit up, but that was good for us. But anyways, comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Are you concerned now? Are you even more concerned that the medication that they're giving or they're trying to use to kill dengue or kill these mosquitoes is not working? Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.